Hello and welcome to today's Studio Designs video tutorial. In today's video we're going to learn how to use audio in After Effects. For this video I'm going to use 3 video files which will be joined together with some effects using Twitch, and I'll also add a few sound effects with the background music, removing the audio of the actual videos. So first, make sure you have your After Effects open. I'm going to import these 3 videos into After Effects by just directly dragging it into the project. Once it loads, make sure these videos are recorded in 1080p. So I'm going to create a new composition with 720p as a resolution. Make sure you set a duration. I'm just going to enter 10 minutes for this example, and we'll reduce it as we create the effects. Once that's done, I'm going to import the first video. Let's import the first video here, and we're going to reduce the resolution to 720p. Make sure it's exactly 720p. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to import the next 2 videos just randomly anywhere in place. Okay, once that's done, okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the audios into our project. So first I'm going to import the background music, and I'm going to use these effects accordingly. So first let's off the audios of our actual video by clicking on these speaker icons on the left. Once that's done, I'm going to use a few seconds of each of the videos, so I'm just going to adjust accordingly. How to use layers and the frames will be taught in another tutorial, so I'm just going to show you guys how to edit the audios. Once that's done, it's going to be a few seconds video for Instagram, or 15 to 20 seconds video. Make sure you overlap a few frames above the previous one, because we're going to add a few effects with sounds. I'm going to make this 30 seconds, so make sure you have your placeholder into 30 seconds and just hold shift and just dragging the last handle here. Once that's done, we're going to add the background music by dragging the audio and releasing it right below all the videos, which automatically starts from the beginning. You could see the wave of the audio by clicking on the arrow here on the left and opening up waveform. You could see how it starts. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag this audio somewhere in between, and we're going to fade the audio from the beginning. So how do we do that is by creating a keyframe right in the beginning. Make sure you have the placeholder start in the start. Click on this icon right here, and make sure you set your value to, for example, -40, which is way low and starts at 0. We're going to jump in a few seconds here, let's say 1.5 seconds, and I'm going to make this to 0, which fades in automatically in a smooth manner. And we're going to reduce it right before the 30 seconds, so I'm going to click here around 28 seconds, create a new keyframe by clicking on this icon here, and make sure you hold shift so it snaps to the end of the frame here in 30. And I'm going to reduce this back to -40, so it fades and goes the background music. Once that's done, let's add a few effects to the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the video, and I'm going to use Twitch effects, once I've added the effects, please make sure you check my other video on how to use Twitch effects, which is downloaded from Video Copilot. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to add these audio effects right in between each of the keyframes. So I'm going to use few random audios just for this example, and to place it right in between the beginning and the end of the keyframe, I'm just going to click and drag holding shift. You see, you could just release it right here, so it inserts it in between. Once you do that, I'm going to add the same to the other one, and we're going to add one right in between just to have different audio effects rather than just the background music. To test this audio, you could just click on RAM preview and make sure it renders the whole thing. And you can click it once more to run it, or you could wait until the green hits the last green, which is the last of the frame. You could also add the effects and then see how it results. So make sure you check the final video, which I'll be playing after this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure you leave a comment below if you have any questions, or if you also want me to post the Twitch effects video on how to get that done. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.